Pinas, and I had to do an assignment of 5 slideshows of PowerPoint and 5 pages of my work. Okay, my topic is population. I did a population in my next assignment because I chose population for this assignment too because I was already doing it, so I got some more information and put it in this assignment. So here where I sit down, it's in the afternoon, it is windy. You have to be you will see during my assignment what I have put down of my what I put down of the population as my topic. So here I have the PowerPoint slides. Population increase in Suriname. Here's the flag of Suriname. You can see here we have Suriname, Paramaribo, Guyana and French Guiana, Brazil, our neighbor countries. The second slide. Short description. Suriname is a small country on the northeast coast of South America. It's defined by vast swaths of tropical rainforest, Dutch colony, architecture, and a melting pot culture. We are multicultural, and here I have some links that I want to show you. I will open the link, open hyperlink, and show what I have on my topic. Here I have GDP per capita. Here you have the graphic, and the blue line is Suriname. Here you can see the population is very important in a country because they are the ones who are bringing the money in, who are doing everything, they are the people who makes the country what it is. The next topic, open the hyperlink. I have here the population, and we have 555,368 in 2016. The population in Suriname, it grew. And the next topic, and I will open hyperlink. The annual change. Here you can see the changes. Here you can see the changes here, and Suriname is here, the blue line. And if you look it through, then you will understand what happened in the last years till 2016. And the next slide, the history. We have multicultural. Our Suriname is multicultural. We had the Arawaks, the Caribs, and they were the Indians. The how do you call those people? Indian people, not from India, but the people who lives in Brazil, near Brazil, the old cultures. And we have from the Indians, we had the Akuri, the Trios, and the Waros, and the Wayanas. There were 4 groups. They were the first people in Suriname. And after that, they brought slaves to work here. They brought African people. They brought Chinese people as contractors. They brought Japanese people as contractors. But the African people, they didn't come as contractors. They come as slaves to work. They didn't get paid. But the other culture, they did get paid. So, there you have it. My topic is population. Here I will show you in Suriname the age population in thousands population. Here the age group 0 to 100. You have the male and the female. How it grew and it decreased and it increased. I have the index here. Open the hyperlink. So here I have the index, the growth, population growth. The average annual per person change in the population resulting from the surplus of birth over death in the balance of migrants entering and leaving a country. Here you can see that. Then I will have it. It was 5 slides of the PowerPoint. I will go to my 5 pages here. Here you can see the population in different areas of the world, different countries. Here must be Suriname. This is South America, and here must be Suriname. The economy. The increase and the decrease lies on the economy of the country, and it can be a big problem, because if everything is so expensive to buy, you get world hunger. People will die because they don't have anything to eat. Here we have our economy changes because of our dollar and the euro. They got higher and higher, and we don't get paid in dollars or euros. So it's very difficult, because all the import stuffs, the people have to buy their products to sell them back to the local people. So it's a big problem. Population. We had Ministry of Finance. They are doing all the data of the money, and so that we can our country can grow, where it is too where did we give too much, and where did we didn't get the money to do what we have to do for our country. So I have, you can say, the population grow or the decrease of the population lies in different areas. It can be death, particularly the death of humans has commonly been considered as a sad or unpleasant accusation. It's true, because last February 13, 2018, I lost my mother. And we buried her 23 of February this year. And I was very sad. It was a very, very sad period. Now it is almost 3 weeks that I lost my mother. 2013 till now. She died 2013. She died 13th February 2018, and today is already 8th of March 2018. So we can get that. It's very unpleasant and sad to lose somebody you very love very much. And the cause of that can be different things. That can be diseases, injuries, old age, dementia, murder, cancer, HIV, suicide, stroke, accident, lung cancer, infection, bleeding to death. All kinds of causes can be to death. And that lies in the decrease of the country. If you have too much injuries in 1 year, you have a problem with your population. Old age is normal. Dementia is of old age. Murder, you have that a lot these times. Stroke, not so much. Accidents, you have a lot. Bleeding to death when you have an accident or something else happen, or you cut yourself. But the most things that happen are die of old age, murder, cancer, HIV, infections, accidents, suicide. Often that comes. Death by natural causes, or it can be otherwise. So there are more ways how someone can die. So I will explain a few. I have drugs overdose, drugs abuse, always carries a risk of serious side effects. And 5 most dangerous drugs are heroin. You have others here. I have here cocaine. Don't know the name of this one. Methamphetamine, alcohol. You have that a lot. Alcohol and cocaine, you have that a lot. You have cancer. Cancer is a group of disease involving abnormal cell growth with a potential to infect or spread to other parts of the body. My mother had blood cancer, but the doctors here they didn't know what that was. She was in and out of the hospital a year long here in Suriname. So we brought her to French Guiana to get help, and there she was only 2 weeks, and they found out that she had blood cancer, but it was too late to do the treatment. For cancer, you have the treatment, surgery, and that you had in 2015, 8.8 million people died of cancer, and my mother died of cancer also, some sort of cancer. That was my assignment, and I hope you liked it. Have a nice day. It's very windy here, and I'm enjoying it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.